I'm the one that observes everyone, but doesn't judge. I open up to all my dearest friends. I'm refreshable because I'm generous, accurate, and fun. Sometimes I turn a blind eye. And I'm always accommodating, keeping everything you give me safe, because every place will be the right one. I'm with you near and far, to remind you what you need, or simply to refresh your mind. And even if sometimes I'm closed, no fear. In the darkest nights, I will be here to bring back some light and some freshness. Because I'm Fresco, the refreshable fridge.